Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can pay for Apollo Group TV. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Visit the Apollo Group TV website at apollogroup.tv and select your desired subscription plan. You can pay using most major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, etc. or even PayPal. Download the Apollo Group TV app on your compatible device, Android, iOS, Smart TV, etc. and subscribe directly through the app. Payment options are similar to the website. In some regions, you might be able to purchase Apollo Group TV subscription vouchers at authorized retail stores like convenience stores or electronics shops. These vouchers can then be activated on the website or app. Authorized resellers might offer different payment options or bundled packages with Apollo Group TV. Research reputable resellers in your area and compare deals before purchasing. So that's basically how you can pay for Apollo Group TV. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.